Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thousand Island dressing. First, gather your ingredients, including mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish. This simple recipe comes together quickly, offering a fresh taste that's often better than what you find in stores. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create this classic dressing right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on making a delicious batch. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, which forms the rich, creamy foundation of our dressing. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of ketchup. This adds that signature pink hue and a lovely tangy sweetness. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, providing a delightful texture and a burst of flavor. These are the core components for a truly authentic Thousand Island dressing. Now, let's enhance those flavors. Finely mince about 1/4 cup of yellow onion to give your dressing a subtle, fresh bite. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of lemon juice for brightness and 1/2 teaspoon of sweet paprika for a hint of color and warmth. Combine all these ingredients in a bowl and whisk them thoroughly until the dressing is smooth and perfectly blended. This ensures every spoonful is consistent and delicious. For the best flavor, refrigerate your homemade Thousand Island dressing for at least 1 hour before serving. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 1 week. This versatile dressing is perfect on salads, as a burger spread, or even as a dip for vegetables. Be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.